Hi there, I'm Anjanelu Chilakapati. I'm working as Industry Process Consultant Specialist at Dassault Systems. Here at our booth, we are showcasing our virtual reality solutions. Using the 3D experience platform at any stage of your product development, whatever the data that you have, design data, analysis data, simulation data, you can visualize that in a VR with a single click of a button. Now using this particular tool, you can perform design reviews, you can do ergonomic studies, which actually saves you a lot of time by eliminating the physical prototypes that you are making. So using this particular tool, as you can see here, I have placed a human mannequin where you can do ergonomic studies such as whether the pilot is able to sit comfortably or not, whether he is able to reach all the components which he wants to reach or not. And on top of it, if at all you have simulation data, you can analyze that also in a virtual reality 1:1 scale. And the best part, as I said earlier, is that whatever the data you only need to bring it into the platform, and with a click, we will convert it into virtual reality.
Hello, I'm Azmatullah Mohammed, Dassault Systems India Private Limited. I'm very excited at Aero Show today. I could see a lot of energy and the momentum from every attendee here. And I'm glad that the kind of energy and the interest that everybody comes up with, we are part of that innovation journey. So from Dassault System, the way the transformation that is being happening in India, we are glad that we've been with the different companies in aerospace and defense domain in India for many years, and we have been coming up with the technology and innovations to adapt to the growing requirements in the way we are transforming in India. Especially if you look at the way the companies are looking at to transform themselves from a regular production organizations to a R&D centric manufacturing organizations. We are coming up with our own solutions which helps customers to really build sustainable virtual twins. Right from design, concept design to detailed design to simulation to manufacturing to greatest customer experience that we look forward to. So, in that context, all our 3D experience platform helps companies to have a unified data model, single source of data, which helps to connect across these domains. So, with that context, I think I'm glad to be part of this Aero India today, and I'm also glad that we are really helping the companies to transform with our innovative solutions. Thank you.